Okay, boys and girls, let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is take our piece of yarn and thread it through this bead. This is a very important skill right there. We're gonna try to shove that yarn through there. Don't lick it, just do it, try it. If it doesn't work, try the other end. And then we're gonna take our fingers and we're gonna make a knot around this. This is gonna be our anchor for the stitches that we put onto our burlap. So we take it, we cross them over, then we make the little end come through the hole. Oops, see, there we go. Might take a try or two. Now we're making a knot, and then we're gonna pull it nice and tight, and that's gonna be the anchor for when we sew and test out our embroidery skills. All right, so you're gonna need a needle. I'll bring by this fantastic tree of needles, and you'll choose which one you want. That's your needle forever, ever. You're also gonna get a piece of burlap, a pair of scissors, let's move that other needle back to there, and a little piece of paper, which can be very helpful when threading the needle. Most kids are pretty comfortable squishing the ends and sticking it through and threading the needle. But I'd like to show you an alternative way if that is giving you a hard time. It's a little piece of paper that we just cut the right size. You squish your yarn in there. This little paper is temporary. It's not going to stay on there. And then you take it off, and that can help you thread a needle too. Then you're going to make a simple knot, just like we did before. Let me do that again, just in case you didn't see it. All right, we cross them over. We put the end through, and then we pull it tight. Boop, just like that. And this is your piece of burlap. I'm going to ask you to write your name on the tape so that you can tell which one is yours. And then it's time to get stitching. All right, we got a nice long piece. Flip this over, kind of avoid where the tape is, and let's test out our skills. Try out some stitches, pulling it all the way through. That can take a little while. There you go, this is a nice bead. And then I'm going to make some little stitches and long ones and try out some different things. There we go. Make some stripes. Make little stitches by getting it very close together. You could do a bunch and then pull it. When you get tired of that, you could go another direction. I want you to explore your burlap. If these little fuzzy ends start to come off, you can just peel a few of those off and stick them off to the side. Sometimes you have to be careful to not peel too many or you won't have any fabric left. All right, I'm gonna go another direction now, so let me get my yarn ready. There you go. Go in and out of the fabric and then pull. There you go. Pull, pull, pull. So it's nice and flat. If your fabric gets bunched up like this because you pulled it too hard, don't worry, just take the fabric, take your time, let it have the yarn back, and squish it down so you have a nice piece of embroidery. And test it out. Test out your skills. All right, boys and girls, go have fun.